Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Kurgo collapsible dog bowl. It is so awesome. It's so flat, but it's perfect for when I am on the go at a park or even in my yard to give the dogs a nice, refreshing drink of water. It's made of this durable plastic. It opens to a nice bowl and it collapses just as easily so that I can put it in my bag and just go. It has a little hook so I can hang it on my belt or my bag so I can walk with it, and then I'm hands-free to deal with the dogs. I love it. It's so pretty in red. It's a bright color so you know your bowl from everybody else's bowl. When it opens, it sits flat so you don't have to worry about it spilling, and it's nice and large. It holds a nice amount of water. I love this Kurgo collapsible dog bowl that I can travel with. I think you'll like it too. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.